Welcome to 10417 Oletha Lane, fully updated traditional home featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Come inside and take a look. Fully updated, open floor plan with stainless steel appliances, center island, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a little over 2,300 square feet, situated on a lot just over 6,700 with a very generous 400 square foot deck off the living room. One of my favorite features about 10417 Oletha Lane is this spectacular hardscape. You've got great for entertaining, great for outdoor sports, including a grass area for the dogs and even a little cornhole. If you're interested in 10417 Oletha Lane, contact the Scott Moore Group for more information.